In today's video, I'll show you how to create a backup on HostGator. Backing up your website is one of the most important steps you can take as a site owner. It keeps your data safe and ensures you can recover everything in case of unexpected issues. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to HostGator.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be on the HostGator dashboard. From here, click on the Websites tab to view your hosted sites and their settings. Find the site you want to back up and click on Settings. This will open a page with all the management options for that website. Inside the Settings menu, select Backups. This is where HostGator provides the tools you'll need to create and manage backups. Here, you'll find integrated backup options, including plugins for WordPress. For WordPress sites, click the Real-Time Backup plugin link. These tools allow you to schedule or run backups instantly, keeping your data secure. Follow the plugin prompts to set up your backup preferences, whether it's real-time or scheduled backups. Once configured, your site data will be stored safely and ready to restore if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup in HostGator. Make it a habit to back up your site regularly to avoid data loss and ensure smooth recovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more website management tutorials.